Want to design and upload your own shirt on Roblox? Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open your browser and search for Roblox Shirt Template. Go to the Roblox Creator Hub, scroll down, and download the official shirt template by right-clicking and saving the image. Next, open a new tab and go to Photopea.com. It's a free online photo editor. Click Start New Project, then Open from Computer, and select the template you just downloaded. Use the Select tool in the top left to choose areas you want to clear, then hit Delete to remove them. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Now open another tab and go to Pexels.com to download a free texture or background image. Once downloaded, return to Photopea, click File, Open in Place, and choose the texture. Resize and position the image, then drag the layer below the template. You can now add text, logos, or extra images the same way. Just open and place them. To edit specific parts like sleeves, use the Select tool again, crop or delete areas, and adjust brightness or contrast using adjustment layers. When you're done, go to File, Export as, PNG, and click Save. Now go to Roblox.com, click Create, then go to Avatar Items, Classic Shirts, and click Upload Asset. Upload your design, give it a name and description, and confirm the 10 Robux upload fee. Once uploaded, you can go to your avatar, remove the current shirt, and wear your custom one. That's how you design, upload, and wear your own Roblox shirt in 2025. Like and follow for more Roblox tutorials, and let me know if you want a guide on pants or full outfits next.